So here we have all the parts. We've got the 66cc engine, Sprocket, gas tank. This is all the throttle cable and clutch stuff. Chain guard, chain tensioner. Goes on the frame like this. And then some fuel line, fuel filter. And then this is the original exhaust. Came with the kit. This is the performance exhaust that we're gonna test out. And then the original carburetor. And this is the new carburetor. And we've got a head, performance head, spark plug. Yep, it's everything. So this chain guide right here is in the way of the engine mount. It has to go in like right there. So I'm gonna take this off real quick. All right, got that off. So now that I took the bottom shifter off, I'm gonna take this off. So we don't need it anymore. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the engine on. It goes on here right like this. So we'll put it in like that. It interferes with the this guy, the brake cable, so we gotta figure something out for that. So we have this old piece of dirt bike brake cable, so we're gonna use this. It's a little bit too long, but we're gonna be able to cut it short, so it'll go up in here, right across through here. Cable off of the back brake here. I have to cut this cable to get it off of here, so. So the cable that we have is too big for this brake lever, so we're gonna have to take it off and drill out the hole a little bit. Alright. We're just going to use the grinding wheel instead of drilling out the handle. So I'm going to connect the cable now. Alright, we got the brake line figured out. Got it all hooked up, so now we're going to put the fuel tank on here. Alright, so I got the exhaust on there. It's not tightened down yet. But I've got the fuel line on there too, carburetor. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten down the exhaust with the Allen key in here. And I put on the regular exhaust and carburetor that came with the kit. We're gonna test out this stock kit versus the kit with a performance head, expansion chamber exhaust, and a bigger carburetor. Now we're gonna get the CDI on there. Alright, here it is. case you're interested. Not much to it. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the front brake lever because I don't need it. Well, it gets in the way of the clutch lever. Alright, so now I'm going to take off this lower cable assembly. Just take off the whole brake part because I'm not going to use the front brakes anyway. Alright. Try to get this grip off because it doesn't seem that this can actually just come apart and come off. So see if I can get this grip off. So there's this little nub right here on the throttle assembly. So we're gonna have to drill a hole in the handlebars.
I believe it says in the manual what size hole to drill. Do you have the manual?
Yeah.
Alright. 5 millimeter.
5 millimeter.
Yeah. I don't know if you have bits in that size.
Yeah, we do. So we've got this center punch. We need to put a hole in the handlebars.
Right there.
To keep the throttle from moving when you twist it.
What are you doing?
So we're gonna drill that hole. What?
Dude, the wrench is stuck on here.
Oh yeah, that happened to me too.
They're like.
Alright.
Alright, we're good. Finishing the tire patch there.
It's drying up pretty good.
Alright, I say we let it sit, and while we're waiting, we'll put the sprocket on.
Alright, so we've got to cut this
This
guy to get it under the spokes. Here, hold the camera.
You're like halfway through, maybe a little more.
There we go. Nice clean cut.
That fits on there perfect. That's
Oh,
nice. Mine didn't do that. Mine had a lot of planes.
So then where do these go? Do these go on the outside?
No. I'm trying to think. Okay, this would go here. Just sandwich this. And then this would go just like that. On top of it. Alright, here, get these in.
You can't really see what we're doing, but...
This will be easier. Hand me. Oh yeah, that's so much easier.
Alright, after about an hour of fiddling with that sprocket, we finally got it on.
Nice and tight. Alright, now we gotta get the tube inflated. Should we inflate it? No, don't inflate
it's
it.
fine.
Yeah, don't inflate it. We'll inflate it later. Alright, which side? It doesn't matter. Just grab this, throw it around here.
Wait, we gotta make sure all of this is lined up, you know what I mean?
I didn't even know that existed. Oh, that's probably to protect the spoke, or it doesn't
From
pop.
the little screws. See these screws?
Yeah, it'll poke it.
Alright, whatever.
That's good. So, pop that thing in there. Be gentle with her. Oh yeah, that's good. Make sure that's in. Alright, let's put the tire on now.
It's like this inner tube is
A little too big.
1 inch too big.
Well, if any, maybe they're supposed to be like that so they expand better. Alright, well let's just...
Open up the bottom of the tire.
That thing ain't really lining up.
Actually, here, let's do it on the side.
Alright, you gotta get this thing back. Yes. Let's just do one thing at a time.
Right.
Like, right here. Alright, see, that's good. Oh, the tube's getting pinched there.
I'll just align the tube.
That can just go like that. This ain't doing too good. That can go there.
Wait, here, do this. James, do this. Alright.
Yeah.
Put her up here. Now watch. Do this.
Yeah.
Put this. Just put them all on the outside, like that, right? Put them on the outside of the rim, and go all the way around.
I think it's just coming off. I'll try to keep it on though. Yeah, it's good. It's not coming off. It's a little pinched in there. It's good.
Make sure
right here.
rotate the
It's
valves.
getting.
Hang on, I gotta go with one of those tools again.
What tool? I don't want the valve stem to come through. Like the not come. Alright, we're good.
Alright. We gotta take air out of it.
Yep. Come on.
Just make sure not to pinch the inner tube.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why they're rounded.
Right, you can still pinch them.
Oh, come on. Piece of crap. You kind of have to like.
Sure, wait. Just work your way around. Keep yours on that edge. I'll get mine on this edge.
Yeah, but then like.
Work your way around. Don't pinch the inner tube.
Yeah, I feel like that tube's a little too big.
Normally you have 3 of these. Because what you do is you hold one like this, hold one like that, and then you take another one. Wait, did you pinch it? I don't know. Okay, that's one side.
Alright, there you go.
Now we just gotta get some air in it. Right.
It doesn't matter how straight you hold it on.
Right.
It's probably good enough for now.
Put a little more in.
Alright. Here, I got it.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh boy.
Sorry.
That's good. I'll throw the cap on there. I say hopefully that's a well patched tire.
Alright, let me look for another cap because we have some. The front tire doesn't have them.
Hopefully the patch didn't just blow itself off. I don't think so, but you never know.
But we got the tire on.
Alright, then that would have went like that, right? Alright, that looks good. Here, get the other sprocket. It's in the cup. Where's the cup at?
Right here.
Alright, exactly. Alright, so. Oh, what about that piece? The one piece
I
here.
don't know.
Screw it.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is still in there.
Is there not supposed to be on here?
Where?
On the end of this?
Yeah.
Alright.
Is it in here? No, nope.
Well, that's not good. Did you take it off?
We did.
Alright, so we have to take the clutch cover off to get the chain in there. And then we're going to put the chain guard on there
We'll have to cut out a little section like
and the
mine.
chain tensioner.
Yeah, that's gonna suck. I hate
So-
that chain tensioner. Everybody hates that chain tensioner. Alrighty. So there we go. Keep this up like that so the pieces don't fall out. So you're gonna need to find a rat or a socket that fits this, so we can turn the engine over.
Do we have to turn the engine over?
Yeah.
Why?
To get the chain around it. Because remember we
okay.
did that with mine. I take the spark plug out so the engine doesn't have any compression. Nice plug. Alright, so we're gonna have to pop the master link off. You got a hammer?
Yeah, it's on my bench.
Alright. I don't want.
Here, go like this. Go like this.
I don't want
Here.
to put my finger in there because I'm afraid it's gonna get caught. Oh, I didn't realize you can get it in that far. Yeah, you can get it. Alright. So. Alright, that's good. Now what we're gonna want to do, take our tensioner here and just get it mocked up a little bit. Make sure. Oh, fuck. I hope you're.
What'd you miss? What'd you lose?
Oh, I didn't lose anything. I'm just saying, because I had to modify my chain tensioner.
Where's this go? Like up here?
Yeah, so basically what's going to happen is this
Oh, yeah,
is going to go.
Yeah, we're.
So let's just get an idea of which link, how much linkage we're gonna take off here. Alright, so we're gonna go like that. Oh, yours is actually good. Yours is way better than mine. Alright, yeah, we're not gonna have to modify yours.
Yeah, we're gonna need to take off.
I'm just gonna get the chain tensioner at least like
Just get it on there, yeah.
Alright, so then these were there.
Do the lock washers go first though?
Lock washers go by the nut. We're gonna want it probably. Alright, you have to take off a specific.
Alright, let's show the camera. Get out of the tripod. So we're gonna have to cut the chain shorter because it's too long.
Alright. This one right there.
This hand out of the way. So you can see how much it overlaps.
Yeah, you can see how much it overlaps there.
So we're gonna have to cut it shorter.
So, frick, this might. You know, we can move it this way. So we'll have it. I'd say this link right there.
Alright.
Fire her up. This is quiet. That should be good. Do you have a vise? Smooth it out there.
Yes, we do.
It's getting there a little bit. Oh yeah, she's going right through.
Move your hand. Alright.
And right there. Look at that. Short. That's how you shorten a chain. There you go.
There you go.
Put that right through there. Master link and stuff. Oh yeah, that'll be good. Look at that. Fit. Perfect.
Alright.
You can get the camera going?
Yep.
So that will go just like this. That will go just like that. Look at that. When we adjust this and we have plenty of tension, we'll be perfect. Alright, so that goes on there. Alright, and where's the clip at? So the clip, hit your finger.
Just give her a light tap. It won't take much.
Yeah, I guess it just be like so serious, just slip right
Yeah, it just wants to go. Yeah.
They're
Hold up.
literally Crocs that are actual shoes. They're just Crocs that are actual shoes.
There you go. Perfect.
There you go.
She's good to go.
Now what we're gonna have to do is move this a little bit. We could raise this
It's
wheel.
kind of close. Well, once we get this
So
choice.
just take that
I don't even know how ugly they are.
like that. Maybe we could take another link out of it. But you know what? That's probably good.
Me and Jamie will mix the gas and have to blow this up and it's on us.
If it blows up, you gotta rebuild this baby. in 2
Nah,
days.
just get a new engine at that point.
Rebuild
Oh, yeah, that's what I
30
mean.
minutes.
Completely rebuild it.
And you can also
Alright, hold
use
up,
the
that should be
one
good.
of these.
Now that should still be able to spin freely, which mine doesn't. For some reason, when I tighten mine up, it actually locks up the wheel.
I want to
Is that a little loose,
Alright,
you
let's
think?
tighten these.
Think that's a little too loose?
see that thing instead of
Nah, hold up. Let me bump it over.
a giant chain. He's like so stone.
That'll be better.
That's so weird.
Let me bump it over. Alright. That's
Oh my
She's
god,
tight.
Trevor.
That's
Trevor,
that's
remember when we
honestly
used to take
really
a little
good.
2x4 and then we like get grass and we
So you see, we're gonna have to cut this right here. Grab. Yep. Give her a few rides.